Well, the first thing we do when you get here in the morning is, you get to the job and walk up to the crane, make sure everything looks good, nothing around your surroundings has changed, nobody's parked anything right beside you. Check your oils, all your fluid levels, and fire the crane up, and then go through all your safety checklists on the crane, your daily inspection, checking cables, checking everything, going over everything in your daily inspection. It's a half-hour ordeal going through everything. We have our daily sign-in, and we'll kind of chat over what we got to do throughout the day. And keeping up on weather is a big thing throughout the day, watching for storms popping up and wind. And when start time fires up, everybody comes out, you go to work. I'm Seth Stoneburner. I started with Granger September of 2000. My first actual job with Granger was at Ramp 5, a parking structure with Dale Kleckner. Dale kind of took me to the side, wanted to know if I'd stay with you guys, and Al Granger actually come up and asked me too, so decided to stay with Granger.
I remember the first time I saw Seth, he was working in a rented crane on a parking ramp at Michigan State, and I think we hired him shortly there, either then or shortly thereafter, and he's worked for us since then.
Seth has a great attitude. I can't imagine the amount of responsibility and pressure that is on a crane operator each and every day to make sure that they do their job safely, which in turn keeps other people safe.
The pressure with being a crane operator over the years has gotten easier for me. I remember when I first started, it bothered me a lot. You're always stressing about things, all the eyes that you have on you. Over the years, it's just gotten, better and better at that, I guess. When I started, I would if it was break time, I would go run like Terry's crane and play with it through break, play with it through lunch. Every time you get an opportunity, get in the seat.
A lot of times, crane operators are relying on a signal person because they are making blind picks, so they cannot see their load. So it would be like doing your job blindfolded. When you have that one operator for 25 years, he knows just as much as that superintendent running that job what it takes for that job to be successful. That crane operator can keep materials and tools in front of the crews so they stay productive.
Some years ago, while we were building the wastewater treatment plant down in Ann Arbor, we bought a link belt. And Seth has been running that link belt since day one. And while we had it sitting on the wastewater treatment plant, he wouldn't take the plastic covers off of the seat because he didn't want the seat to absorb the smell of the wastewater treatment plant. So I think he's since then taken the covers off the seat.
Probably what's kept me here with Granger is just the people. A lot of good people to work with, the camaraderie, all the guys. They've always treated me right. I really enjoy the challenges that each job faces, and I like the work. Different type of jobs we do all the time. It's not just one thing. We're always doing something different. It's trying to do a good job and get the job done and go to the next one.
A crane lasts a lot longer when it has an operator, not a lot of operators. We're lucky to have people like that'll do that. And Seth has done a very good job with us.